I don't think I've come with a better free game than this. So if you watch this video up till the end, you will learn how to add Naira as a payment option on your Shopify website. A lot of people think it's impossible to add Naira as a payment option on Shopify. Some people even think Nigerians are banned from creating a Shopify website. But what if I told you there was an easier way to accept Naira and even crypto as a payment option for your website? Please, no louder mo, make the update no cast. You don't need to register for an external website. You don't need to send anybody your BVN, your NIN, your PHCN. Sorry, I got distracted for a second. Before I show you how to do this, promise me that you subscribe to my YouTube channel if this ends up working for you. I'm not asking for my percentage for sharing this update. I'm just asking for you to subscribe so that you can get me one step closer to reaching my 500 subscriber goal. All right, let's get into it. What we'll do first is go to settings, then you go to payments, select payments. As you can see on my own website, I accept both card. If you want me to show you how to accept card, let me know in the comments. Then cash on delivery, cryptocurrency, Naira. So cash on delivery is mainly for local transactions around me. Then Naira transfer and crypto. So if you want to do it, we are going to go ahead and create custom payment. You can also select bank deposit, but create custom payment method. So now here you fill in the information, crypto, if it's crypto you want to put here, crypto, then add additional details. This is where you now add your wallet address and see payment instructions. So you give them, I'll give you an example of what it looks like with my own, since I've already done it already. So now with Naira, see how it is on my dashboard. Obviously I'm going to blow out the details, or maybe I'll leave it out if any of you want to send me money. Then payment instruction, you send receipts to this phone number. So this is an example of a payment confirmation, like payment instruction that you can use. You put it there that people should send their receipts to that WhatsApp number, or send their receipts to that WhatsApp number so that you confirm the payments. Now same thing with the crypto, USDT, self-explanatory, same details. So now that we've done that, you are going to go ahead and save. But my own is already there, so there is no need for me to do that. Now what we are going to do is go to the website absaworldwide.store. So after you've done that, you go to let's say I want to place an order for something. Let's order something to Ojo Elegba now. So you go to catalog, which this is my website, so I'll just use my website as an example. Catalog, let me just place an order for cap. Then you select the cap. See, this is how the caps look like. This is what the cap looks like, front and back. And then we'll go to, instead of add to cart, I'll just select buy now, since I've already, there's no need for me to add to cart again. Then here we are going to fill out the shipping you're going to fill out your shipping details. Obviously your address, whoever is placing an order will put the person's address. So I'm just going to blur this one out because I put like a valid address that is already saved. So I'm going to blur this all out. So now for the payments, you see local delivery, that's if I'm doing local. But for the payments, if I go and select pay via Naira, you see the details that we put there. You can transfer, see the details that we put there. Then of course billing address, same as shipping address. So it means this is going to be your shipping address. Whoever put I know people that order things online know how this works. So now you just go ahead and complete order. Now complete order, you see your order is being processed. So you'll be asking, where would the instructions come in? Where would the instructions come in? This is where the instructions will come in. When the order has been seen, thank you Abdrazak, your order is confirmed, delivery information, then send receipt to this phone number. So this is just basically it. So anybody that has placed an order will definitely contact that phone number with their receipt. Hello, this is my receipt or something. Anybody that doesn't confirm that number, just go ahead and cancel the person's order, because most probably that person is going to waste your time. Just look out for this. This is like a tip that I've learned the hard way. Once your information is here, everybody that places an order will definitely send the receipt here. There is nobody that will send, let's say 70k now, and will not follow the instruction at the end. If you found this helpful, don't forget our agreement. I know say you no go rip me.